Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is inspired by a style that I saw on Grownish and I did my own little twist on it. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned. Okay, so here I'm attempting to do a braiding style that I have known to be called Ghana braids. But I have just studied a whole bunch of videos on YouTube on how to do these kinds of braids, and it was really hard for me. So the one YouTuber that I did find very helpful, I believe her name is Beauty Can Braid, and I will put a link to her page in the description box below. But it's basically like looping the hair through my own in this very unique fashion. Beauty Can Braid can articulate this idea way better than I can, so I will put her link below. Slick them bad boys down. That's really important in this part, making sure those parts are really sleek. And I started off this side of the braid the same way I did the braid in the center, and I'm only going to show you guys a little bit of it because it is really hard to explain how I was doing it. But I was applying the edge control as I was going through the braid because I knew I wanted it to look as sleek and smooth as possible. So I'm dividing it with my finger to give it that braided look, that sharp braided look, and then applying the edge control as I go on. Okay, so this is essentially how I want it to look. So I'm just went ahead and did the same thing on the other side. And I used my Ampro gel for this, so the brown gel, because I knew I wanted the style to last for longer than 3 days. So I needed some of the hardcore stuff. So I used that for everything around my hair, honestly, except for the edges. The edges I went in with another edge control brand, which I will list below. Okay, so I just laid my scarf on it for about 5 minutes. It didn't take too long since I used the Ampro gel. This gel hardens pretty quickly, especially when heat is applied. So that's all I had to do there. I had 2 different choices of hair to use. This is some leftover hair from AliExpress. And then I braided a jumbo braid in the back that I wanted to use as the base of the ponytail. So now I'm just pinning the hair through. I actually started pinning it in a spiral motion to go all the way down, but then I decided there's no point. So I just went ahead and left that braid alone and then used the rest of the hair to cover the foundation of the ponytail. And this is what it looks like. It's actually really cute on its own, but we're not done yet, so stay tuned. So this is some flower wiring that I found from Michael's, and I'll be sure to let you guys know what exactly it's called, but the material is so easy to use. It's super malleable, and I was just bending it around my hair, and at one point I didn't have enough, so I just looped it around itself, as you can see here, and I just freestyled it. Just kept wrapping it around the hair till I got to the bottom. At one point I stopped and did like a cute little twisty design on there. You probably won't be able to tell, but since you can bend the wires, you can have lots of fun with it. Also, am I the only one getting Princess Jasmine vibes from this? Because, you know, this is giving me a little bit of a whole new world right now. So I went in with my Eco Styler gel just on the edges, and then voila, this is what the style looks like. Took my Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Finishing Oil, slicked down the portions that were necessary, especially that kitchen. Then I just cut up the hair accessory to fit the skinny braid that's in the center of my hair, or in my head rather, so that I could just have a totally bejeweled look. And I mean, clearly I was feeling myself. I mean, just look at you, look. All right, y'all, so there were so many cool ways you could rock this look. I mainly wore it like this, and it lasted me about 2 weeks, and I always put the scarf on it every night, and it was gorgeous. So I hope you love it. I hope you try it, and you know, you could wear it to the Aladdin premiere, you could wear it to work, wear it to school. If you do give it a try, let me know so I can see what it looks like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.